This is the quintessential deadly serpent, embodying all that's lethal without even baring its fangs. It's known as Naya nivea, the Cape Cobra, and anyone who corners this snake is likely to pay with their life. The 1.5-meter cobra is neither the biggest nor the widest-ranging venomous serpent in Africa. It's only found in one region, the southwest, but this includes the heavily populated country of South Africa. And it often appears in prime ranching territory, so human encounters are all too common. Every year, the Cape Cobra kills more people in South Africa than any other snake. Its speckled skin enables it to almost disappear within the landscape, until it's stumbled upon by an unlucky rancher or shepherd. When trapped, it raises the front of its body high and spreads its trademark hood in a display of intimidation. Then it strikes. The rush of venom immediately attacks the body's nervous system. It paralyzes the muscles and triggers coronary and respiratory failure. Just one bite can kill up to 6 people. And the cobra doesn't just strike once. It continues to strike until the threat has moved away, flooding its victim with toxins.